straight away with
Yeah, it's a bit better.
The first couple of overs.
Well, that's what he does. That's what Bumhander, second ball away to a left-hander.
And towards the slip Gordon.
Nick, gone! Early wicket.
Fine, perfect length, drawing the shot. And KL Rahul doing the rest. Strikes. And Sri Lanka has it's 1 for 1.
Different prospect today. It's at pace. 2 slips. Oh, full toss. Friend.
Yeah, Mendy's gets a freebie.
40 matches. Mid Siraj then. Of us here. And we can see the bounce.
A good option.
There's that in-swinger that you talked about. The injury, the hamstring injury. Siraj. What a catch! No.
Well, up in the air. He's off in a flash. Nisanka.
Samara Wickrama then in at number 4. And there's a little bit, as we've seen, Ravi, throughout this tournament.
And now Rohit Sharma doing the right thing. 3 slips in play.
Yes.
Clearly use the back, you can go to pull tracking with them. With his hitting, with your back and string, you can still.
And the finger goes up.
In the air, it's back to back. And as Sri Lanka goes first ball, Siraj is on.
All the wicket keeper. Simple catch. First ball. 3 in the over. For 4.
In 1991 against Sri Lanka. No mid-on.
And have a look at Siraj. He's got the adrenaline.
Jay De Silva with 4 off. He's a good player. Nearly the 4. Is it history? I have never seen this before.
Oh, they're falling loose outside the off stump. Win. It's 12 for 5. Trying to think in the years of...
Well, look away, Netabe. Bat first, 12 for 5. 5 overs a Pfeiffer. He nearly gets to Pfeiffer. He has half.
He can get a wicket every ball.
4 slips in a one-day. Wide again! He has a 5-wicket victory!
Well, ball does make contact with that off stump as it thuds into it. Sri Lanka in an Asia Cup final for another duck, and it's 12 for 6.
Oh, this is crazy.
Team for 6 of a 50-over game. Hands from the front foot. Another good delivery. He's running in. Sprint.
Final game. It's stay in our memory, I think.
Well, short and wide, the uppercut.
More
Got to the outside edge.
bowling first. Nice and dry.
Spinner. He was wide off the crease, hence that.
That's what you need to be telling yourself. I know it's impossible. It's tough. 55 and 67. See, Villal are going to be on top.
They won't give you unnecessary to rotate the strike. Will Lalage.
Whether it was pitching in line, too many. Hardik. It's up in the air.
Number 6.
On that, here again, misjudged an in-swinger. Brilliant one at that, Raj. It was a wonderful day. 17. Sri Lanka really.
South Africa. Well, he's been right on the... This fabulous lens. That's good shot.
Wait for the loose one. Put it away. Make.
Overs. 7 wickets have fallen. Bo and Candy, and this coming from Jay Shah.
And with the smile on the face.
That's in the air. Has to go. Getting into the act as well. Bold has been amongst the wickets. looking to duck. He's been coming out just to check. It's mandatory. 8 down in 13 over. Lucky. He's pitched further up. Has done the damn good job at 5 for 19 and 90.
Look like they get a 52.
Beautifully bowled. It's been taken. Goes down now.
Outside the off stump, as you see, Virat from first slip.
That's in the air. And another one.
This is quality.
Bumrah.
It's phenomenal.
Magnificent 100 against Bangladesh in that losing effort.
Okay, it's difficult to explain.
101, 750s and 100.
Player. What a way to get off.
But by Hemanta there.
Oh, lovely shot. Lovely.
Bat is still sticking it.
Well, half a shout. But
Haven't seen that in this competition. It is a bit of a movement.
seriously.
Looking to uppercut the ball, using the pace of the...
Oh, don't bowl there. Seriously.
That's one of the reasons it's in the middle of the bat.
Runs ahead of Kushal Mendes.
Oh yes, it's the way to play.
India just want this done and done.
The up, just went with his hands. Beautiful timing.
And ahead of the
It came a bit quick.
Yes. Another full delivery for winning the Asia Cup. And you want to...
This will be. This one past it, one to win. This has been such a good performance.
Will be a very, very happy man.